Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of animal minds and how they communicate. For a long time, we tended to think of animals as simple creatures driven purely by instinct. But science is painting a very different picture, revealing complex thoughts, feelings, and sophisticated ways of interacting with the world and each other. Let's start with what's going on inside their heads. Researchers are finding amazing cognitive abilities across the animal kingdom. Think about problem solving. We see chimpanzees making tools, but also New Caledonian crows bending wire to get food, and even emus showing technical skills. It's not just primates and birds. Then there's memory and planning. Mountain chickadees, for instance, rely heavily on their spatial memory to survive, and some studies suggest animals can actually plan for the future, not just live in the moment. Social learning is huge too. Bumblebees can learn tricky, multi-step tasks just by watching other bees. Tasks they couldn't figure out alone. Chimps keep learning new skills well into adulthood. Apes even seem to understand what others know, like pointing out hidden treats to humans who aren't aware of them. Perhaps most profoundly, scientists increasingly agree that mammals and birds likely experience consciousness. There's even a realistic possibility for consciousness in fish, reptiles, insects, crabs, and octopuses. We see behaviors that look like play in bees, curiosity in fish, and anxiety in crayfish. It hints at much richer inner lives than we ever imagined. Researchers are now developing ways to better understand these subjective experiences. How do they share information? Animal communication is incredibly diverse. It's not just calls and barks. Animals use visual signals, like body language, sounds from calls to complex songs, smells like pheromones, touch, vibrations through the ground, and even electrical signals. And it's often surprisingly complex. Prairie dogs have different alarm calls that describe a predator's type, size, and even speed. Whale songs have regional dialects, learned socially, like human languages. Sperm whale clicks show intricate patterns, changing rhythm and tempo, almost like a phonetic alphabet where clicks combine to form different meanings. That kind of combinatorial structure is rare outside human language. Animals also talk across species lines. Many animals recognize the alarm calls of others. Our own dogs are experts at reading human signals, like pointing, and can even be trained to tell us what they need. Technology is revolutionizing this field. AI and machine learning can analyze massive amounts of sound data, spotting patterns humans would miss. Scientists are using AI to identify individual calls, like a mother beluga calling her calf, and to decode the complex structure of whale communication. Plus, affordable recorders let us gather more data than ever before. So what does all this mean? Understanding how smart and communicative animals are has huge ethical implications. It forces us to reconsider how we treat them. Evidence for consciousness strengthens the case for better welfare standards, conservation efforts, and even legal protections. Knowing about the rich social lives and communication of whales, for example, adds weight to arguments for protecting them from things like noise pollution. We might not be having full conversations with dolphins just yet, and truly understanding a mind so different from our own is a huge challenge. But the science is moving fast. Every day, we learn more about how animals perceive their world, think, and connect. It fosters a deeper respect and connection to the incredible diversity of life we share this planet with. Thanks for tuning in.